Dedication, hard work, plus patience. To some more of my sacrifice, I'm done waiting. Told you that I wasn't playing. Now you hear what I've been saying. Dedication.
What's good, YouTube? Ravers Kicks back at it with another video. Sorry I've been in the car the last few videos. I've just been on the run doing errands and everything, but right now I'm on my way to my local skate shop. It's called Plus Skate Skateboarding, I believe, and they're the only ones in my local area that's releasing those SB Jordan 1 Laker Chicago colorways, and it's a raffle, so I have to get this raffle in by 8 o'clock. It is 7:15 right now, so I'm racing up there to get this raffle in, and then hopefully I hit, man. I really love the concept. I'm not really the biggest fan of the NYC ones because it's just a dull colorway, but I love the Lakers theme, and I actually like how Seth Fowler did it, where he took the left shoe, I believe, and he made it the Chicago colorway, and he has the right one as the Laker colorway, and he kind of did it like half and half. That way you can see both. I like that concept too, so I would love to get my hands on these. So this is my only shot. Hopefully I hit this raffle, even though it's about an hour away. If not, hopefully I get some luck on the sneakers app. I also filled a raffle for Foot Action in Chicago. If I don't hit on anything else and I hit on Chicago, I'm taking a drive. Fuck it. So sorry for the bad lighting, sorry for being in the car, but gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. All right, see you guys in a few minutes.
Yeah, how y'all doing out there? All right. Thank you for joining me this evening. How y'all feel? Cause I feel so awesome. How you feel? Awesome. I guess that's awesome. Shorty, you fine and your body is awesome. Wanna roll? Awesome. Well, let's go. Awesome. Yeah, hands in the sky like AWE. Some call me awesome, some call me busy. Hundreds call me often. Gator on my shirt, what did it look awesome? Jesus Christ, I'm good. Please don't cross them. How rude. Stephanie Tanner, you don't gotta watch me, but please watch your manners. And I be getting green so mean. Bruce Banner, give the flow and presence, man. I'm the new Santa. And
What's good, YouTube? Ravers Kicks back at the crib, and it's the next day, and a lot of stuff has gone on since then. First of all, as you saw, I went to go fill out that raffle at that Plus skateboarding place, and I took a L. I ended up driving out to Farmington Hills, Michigan, which is an hour away from where I live, and yeah, I just didn't get through for some reason. A lot of talk in the city is that they have their little skateboarders that they accommodate towards first, and they get first dibs, and then the rest are for public pairs. But my thing is, if you guys are doing a raffle, you guys should make it fair and square and not do that kind of stuff, because they were trying to get me to buy a SB to get 2 additional tickets, like a different SB. Like if you spend $75 or more, you get 2 additional tickets in the raffle. And I just thought that was a little bit unfair, because I'm like, okay, if I buy the SBs and I still lose, can I return it? And that answer was no. So it was like, I was kind of upset about that, because yeah, I mean, like, how does these skateboarders or the people that you're cool with or friends and family get dibs, but then you have people purchasing shoes with their own money for additional chances at downsized pairs that were already limited by itself? So nobody that actually filled out a ticket really won. I only saw like 2 people on Instagram that actually won from that skateboarding shop. So I think that it was a little bit suspect, and I'm not going to really associate with them anymore unless it's first come, first serve. I don't really trust that raffle stuff, especially from these little boutiques that are not like a Nike or a Foot Locker or anything like serious like that. So that really made me disappointed. Foot Action State Street, I took a big L on that as well. At 6 o'clock or 5:50, when the raffle winners were announced, I was put on the wait list, and I know why. I only spend money through Foot Locker and Champs. Foot Action, there's not really a lot of releases, at least in Michigan, through Foot Action, so I don't spend my money through Foot Action. So that account has $0 on it. So it's understandable. I still had a 10-minute head start, and that's why I was on the wait list, but Anybody with a 10-minute head start that spent a dime on their account had a better opportunity than me, just like I explained on the VIP video, in which I understood why I lost, but it's kind of a heartbreaker on that one that I lost as well. So that was 0 for 2. 2 days back, my buddy Tommy, who owns a boutique out in Iowa, legit guy, legit business. I've done a few transactions with him, so shout out to you. He did a free ATC raffle for these ones and also the Yeezys that released this weekend. And so I entered that raffle. And then his buddy that he does networking with was doing that giveaway as well through their Instagram. So I entered that as well. His name on Instagram is sneaker_group. Sneaker spelled like sneakers app. So shout out to those guys. They're really great people. And they did the drawing via a randomizer on their website through Instagram Live. So it was 100% legit. I ended up losing, but then after one of the winners didn't claim the free add to cart service, so they came to me asking if I wanted to do it. So this is my first time I accepted it, and yeah, I'm gonna try out this bot service for the first time. It's free, but hopefully I can get a dub off of that. Also, I'll be going on the sneakers app at 10 a.m. Eastern, ready to go. Size 13 shouldn't be that hard of a cop, to be honest, because it's not really the most sought after sizes. Obviously, small feet gang, they resell for $100, $150 plus what my size would resell for. With that being said, mine still resells for over $350. It's gonna be a hard grab. Hopefully I can get it for retail. If I can't, probably gonna end up passing on it, because $350, I would rather have a lot of shoes for $350 than these ones. I love the ones though. I love that concept, and I want to get a review out for you guys and on foot of possibly doing the acetone, or I also saw Bull do steel wool on it, which made it look like a faded vintage look, which I really like that as well. As I said earlier, I like what Seth Fowler was doing, but my look that I would do personally, maybe after a few wears down the line, I would want one shoe to be a Lakers theme with that vintage look with like a little bit of red showing with red laces in. And then I would like the other one to be Chicago with purple still showing with the purple laces in. So like they both throw each other off with the laces. And I think that would look so fresh. I wouldn't do that for the on foot because I want to get some wears with the full Laker colorway. But yeah, I just love how you can customize this sneaker the way you want to. Not everybody's gonna look the same in them. If you see someone else wearing them in the mall, they're probably gonna have a different look to it, which I really dig. And I really want to get these in hand, so, or at least be able to see them in hand. So good luck to all of you guys. I hope you guys all cop. Make sure you guys are on the sneakers app at 10 a.m. Eastern. Once again, Ravers Kicks, appreciate all of you guys for stopping in. If you want to see something in particular, leave a comment down below. Let me know. I got you guys 100%, because this channel isn't just me. This is for you guys. I want to be able to entertain you guys, and whatever you guys need, I got you, and I'll come through for you. Appreciate everyone for stopping in. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button once again. And we out, man. Peace.